Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In the previous video, we have seen how to insert the collections in the database. We have seen it. Now let's try to see how we can update the collection and also how we can delete a document in a collection. Let's try to see it. So here, show databases. If we try to see, we are in the local e-commerce, Leela e-commerce. So let's try to see that whether we are in that one or not. So show collections, the products is there. So let's try to create a category, new one. So something like db.categories.find. So if I try to see, so nothing will be there. Why? Because even the collection itself is not present. Let's try to see insert some of the documents into that categories collection. So now db.categories.insert1. I'm creating here. So first one I will be creating with the title. So sample category. Okay, I will be having another one as a description. Let's try to use it. Sample category description. Okay, description. Actually very trend. Yeah, sample description. Sample description. Let's try to create it. So we have successfully created. So let's try to create, see db.categories.find. If I try to see here, so we are able to see, I will try to decrease somewhat. Yeah, so we are able to see db.categories.find. We are able to see one document has been inserted into this collection. If you want to make it pretty, I will be using the pretty. Okay, so this is one. So let's try to create another one. I am creating here this with the same name sample category, and here I am using something like 2. So now if I try to see here, so we are having 2 documents in this collection. Let's try to create another one. Okay, so I will try to show you how we can do multiple insertion at a time. I will try to show you. So this is another one. So let's try to see it. So here we are having 3 documents in a collection. Now what I want to do is, in this one, now I want to update the description to some other thing. So which has a description, so which has a title of sample category. Okay, I want to update the description. So now what I can do is here, let's try to see or otherwise I will try to delete this one. So I will try to delete this one. So how can I delete is, let's say that db.categories.deleteOne. Okay, so deleteOne, I am using the deleteOne. So here I will be having something like, so here you will be giving the condition title which is having sample category. Okay, if I try to use the sample category, now here that 3 documents are having the same title. If you try to see here, this first document is having the field value sample category, and here also it's having sample category, and this one. But here the command what I have written is, so it needs to delete only one. So that means delete only one document which is having the title of sample category. Now what it will try to do is, it will delete only the document which has occurred to it while searching. So now if I try to click here, if I try to press enter, so deleted count, you are able to see that it is only one. So let's try to see here, find that pretty. Now here you'll be able to see that previously the sample category description, this document has been deleted. Only the 2 documents are there, which is nothing but sample category description 2 and description 3. Now if I want to delete all the things, means whichever this condition met, so I want to delete all the things, means what I can do is, instead of using deleteOne, I can use deleteMany. Okay, so I can use deleteMany. Now whatever the condition it matches the documents, all the documents will be deleted. If I try to press enter here, you'll be able to see the deleted count is 2. Why? Because so there are 2 documents which has the title of sample category. So these 2 documents has been deleted. Now if I try to see, find out pretty, none of the items are present. So here let's try to add it again, some other items. So here I am using sample category description 3. Okay, so I can add it here. So I want to add another one, something like sample category 1 sample category description, so we'll keep it like this only. Now I will try to add sample category 2. So like this you'll have. So let's try to see db.categories.find. So if I try to see here, let's do it pretty so that you will understand very easily. So now we are having again 3 documents, that is nothing but with the title sample category 1 and also sample category 2. Now let's try to so we have seen the delete. Now let's try to update this one. So what I want to do is, so here in this one I want to add a new field, that is nothing but product count. Product count I want to update, whose title has a sample category. Okay, whose title has a sample category, I want to update it. So now if I want to update it, what I can do is db.categories.update. Again you will have 2 commands, updateOne and updateMany. So updateOne means it will update only one record, which document comes first, and updateMany means it will update all the documents which meets the condition. So let's try to see updateOne. Now first one is the condition. So condition means nothing but sample category. Okay, and the second one is the update. So what I need to update, so here I need to update it something like products count. I need to add a new field, products count of 12. So now here what we need to do is, so here we need to add extra like this. So it is an operator, so where whatever the things comes with the dollar thing, so we will be getting so many things. So this is the operator in the MongoDB. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to set the data in the collection, in the documents. So we need to use a dollar set. It is a operator. So we'll be having so many operators like $LT, $GT, like this we'll be having. We'll try to see it, those all the things. So for updating this one we need to use dollar set. So now if I press enter, so now I am trying to press enter here. So dollar set, I have used it. Okay, so I need to use something like here, I need to use it, and here I need to remove this one. Okay, so now if I press enter, so matched count is 1 and the modified is also 1. So only one match has been found and the count is modified, only one thing is modified. So if I try to see the same output here, see the products count is having 12 now. So let's try to see that whoever is having sample category description 3, I want to update it. So now what I want to do, what I can do is db.categories.updateMany. Okay, so first what I need to do is description. So which category is having the description sample category description 3. So it needs to be updated to something like, so that means I need to use the dollar set. So I need to use here products count. Okay, it should be something like 45. So now whoever the documents are having description sample category description 3, so all these things, if already products count is present, it will be updated. If or otherwise if it is not present means it will be inserted now to the 45. If I try to press enter here, so matched count is 3 and also modified is also 3. So if I try to see here find.pretty, now all the documents has been updated with the products count 45. So in this way we will be inserting one. Okay, we will be update one, delete one, and also delete many also we have seen. So now I want to delete all these things. For example, let's say that I want to update all these things with another thing, something like quantity. So what I can do is, so instead of doing this one update many, so I want to update all these things. So now I can remove this condition. So I can keep an empty object here like this. Okay, that means all the documents should be updated to products count of 60. Okay, so if I click in this one, so here everything got updated. So if I try to see find.pretty, everyone is having products count of 60. So this is how we can delete. In the same scenario, so we can also delete it. So here I can use something like deleteMany. Okay, deleteMany, and I can remove this one set thing. Why? Because so if you use an empty object, all the items will be deleted. Deleted count is 3. So if I want to see again, nothing is there. So if I want to remove this collection also, what I can do here, db.categories.drop. So now if I try to see the collections, so nothing is there, categories, nothing is there. So it has also been dropped. So this is how we can update and delete. We have also seen the insert also. So this is how we can update and delete the documents in a collection using the condition something like if you provide an empty object, so that means it will update all the things. In the same scenario for the delete also, if you provide any condition, if any object, any key value means, then it will check for that key value. This is how we'll be doing this update and delete. Hope you understood about this update and delete. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.